If you submit a valid application and receive your prima facie, but didn't submit your application for work permit, can you submit it now? So the submission of a work permit is not based on receiving a prima facie determination letter for valid cases. The submission of a work permit is determined by your eligibility to file for adjustment of status. If you filed for valid based on you being the spouse of a U.S. citizen, child of a U.S. citizen, and you're under the age of 21, or the parent of a U.S. citizen who's over the age of 21, typically you'll be eligible to file for adjustment of status, which is the I-485. And if you file for the I-485, at the same time, you can file for the work permit and get it before your VAWA approval, because otherwise you won't get a work permit until your VAWA is approved, which is, 2 to 3 years out. If you were married to an LPR, like a green card holder, before you filed for VAWA, and that person filed an I-130 for you before February of 2025, you most likely will be eligible to file for your adjustment of status now. Even if you already filed your VAWA, you can file for your adjustment of status and your work permit now. Also, if you already filed your VAWA, and you filed it, let's say you filed your VAWA and, nobody ever filed an I-130 for you, whatever. But you filed it before February and your receipt date is before that February 2025 date, you can do your adjustment of status and work permit now. So if that is you, this is a good time to get your 485 in, to get your work permit in before those dates go back.